Hello everybody, my name is Davis and welcome back to another video, and today we are here for another severe weather breakdown. Now today, we're going to be talking about an ongoing severe weather outbreak bringing damaging winds, large hail, and even a few tornadoes to a certain portion of the United States. So let's go ahead and get right into it, starting off with the Storm Prediction Center outlook for today, where we have an enhanced risk of severe weather across portions of Montana and North Dakota. We also do have a slight risk going back into portions of Dixie Alley for the remnants of Hurricane Francine. Tornado threat for today, if you're in that brown area, you have a 5% chance to see a tornado in your town, so make sure to look out for that. Damaging wind threat for today, if you're in that red area, you have a 30% chance to see wind gusts of 60 miles an hour or higher in your town, and at least a 10% chance to see wind gusts of 75 miles an hour or higher in your town, which is very destructive. So we will have a live stream out later this evening covering those threats. Hail threat for today, if you're in that yellow area, you have a 15% chance to see hail of 1 inch or larger in your town. So moving on to tomorrow, we have a marginal risk of severe weather once again for portions of the southeast, as the remnants of Francine could continue to produce an isolated tornado threat. There's a very small chance that we do see some damaging winds out of it as well. So next up, let's go and take a look at what the NAM 3KM model is showing here for the next couple of days. We can see Francine very clearly right now in northern Mississippi. It's going to continue to push northward, bringing rain to mid-Mississippi, the mid-Mississippi Valley region there. And then by tomorrow afternoon, we could be talking about some strong to severe storms firing in North Dakota. But again, the main threat would just be any isolated pop-up storms that we do see there from the remnants of Francine in the southeast. If we go and push it back, though, into today, we can actually see that it'll only be 6 or 7 p.m. by the time we start seeing supercells and lines of storms firing off in portions of the Dakotas and Montana. So that's likely around the time that we'll have our first stream out. So going into Saturday here, we're not really expecting too much. Saturday morning, we could definitely see some storms in the southeast and maybe another hurricane as well coming from the Pacific. So we'll have to look out for that. Next up, watches, warnings, and advisories. Purple shaded boxes. Those are your winter weather advisories. We could see some areas having some snow here over the next couple of days, so that's something to watch out for sure. Those brown shaded boxes, those are wind advisories, mainly in effect for areas that still have to deal with the remnants of Francine here. Oranges, heat advisories down there in South Florida, so make sure to look out for that. Now, finally, let's go and talk about some of the snow totals that we could be seeing here in portions of the United States over the next couple of weeks. So this is between now and the 28th of September. We could be talking about very significant snow totals in portions of Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho between now and then. We also could even be talking about some snow showers clipping portions of North Dakota and Minnesota in the extreme northern portions of the state. And again, obviously, everywhere out here in the Rockies is going to have the chance for some decent snow totals, and even some spots getting up to 20 inches over the next couple of weeks possible in portions of Wyoming and Montana once again. So we have got ourselves a very interesting winter weather pattern getting going here. And again, I think that this is only the beginning. I do think that we'll see quite an intense winter. So make sure to like and subscribe so that you know whenever we go live for winter storm coverages and just whenever we post video on winter weather updates. And I will see you all in the next one. Peace.